I always felt very proud of my family, always. I felt that maybe we were sort of chosen, if that's the word you could say, that we were different. You know, we were very well educated at a time when not a lot of Jewish people were well educated. My father, my older brother, my older sister, myself, and my brother Norman were all very, very, very well educated. It was a nice feeling. I felt different from a lot of my friends. They were nice kids, and I loved them, and I played with them and everything. But I always felt that my family was different because we did have such a, you know, a bent on literature and poetry and the people that came to our houses.